Hello, welcome. In today's podcast, we will discuss why having space in a relationship is important. Space in a relationship is an essential requirement of every partner aspiring to have a happy life together. Having your partner by your side comes with a great feeling and comfort, but understanding why having some space to yourself is vital and a key to great relationship. However, giving each other some space can should striking. It may look like your relationship is not working out and you can't endure it anymore. But that isn't the case. Having time to yourself is also part of building your relationship. Space in a relationship doesn't affect your happy moment together. It benefits both individuals involved in the relationship as it prevents the bond from falling apart. A lot of people complain that they have lost their identity in their relationship because they don't know who they are without their partner. And that's why space is important. If you're considering reconnecting with your true self, then you should take spacing seriously. Here's why you should take some space. Number 1. Be happy with yourself. There are lots of activities and engaging moments you enjoy alone before getting into any relationship. Being in contact with a partner shouldn't make you lose yourself, what you love doing, or who you've always wanted to be. However, not having space in a relationship might make you forget the real you. It's essential for lovers to continue with their independent life outside of their relationship, says Jalisa Tucker, a contact coordinator at One Love. Spending some time with yourself helps in discovering yourself and brings various experiences to the link, which enables the bond to grow stronger. Number 2 is personal development. Be happy both ways. So, having some alone time doesn't mean your relationship is struggling. It only shows that you care for yourself and the relationship. When you and your partner focus on personal development, you get more confident and you won't have to feel intimidated by your partner's success or achievement when you are also working on yourself. Number 3, watch your relationship blossom. Space makes you feel happier with other activities and people around you. Time alone often allows couples space to process their thoughts, follow interests, and reconnect among others without any responsibility. Couples need space so they don't suffocate each other. Having time apart encourages the independence and freshness in a relationship. You will be happier for it, and your relationship will bloom. So we will continue this topic in our next podcast. Till then, take care. Bye bye.